guys, now we are making a spinner. You'll need a string and one circle cardboard. Hi guys, now we are going to make 2 holes. 1, 2. Now we have to put 2 ends of the string into the holes.
Okay.
Okay, now you have to tie a knot. My father will do it. That's the knot you have to do.
It's too much. And our magic card DIY is nothing. Oh no!
Okay, pause.